Welcome to an inside cabin on the Navigator of the Seas. We're going to start off in the bathroom. So there is a shower with doors. If you're used to Princess with the stupid curtain, Navigator of the Seas with Royal Caribbean does not have that. You have a sink and a mirror. Lots of storage on the shelves. Storage down below as well, although it's kind of filled with some other stuff. In the entranceway, there is a big closet with hangers and storage up top. Of course, your life jackets, and if you have a child, make sure to ask for a child life jacket. Television and desk. Inside the closet is the safe. Lots and lots of storage in here as well. Did not have any issue with storage. Your fridge, if I can figure out how to open it. There's your fridge. It's kind of small and it does not keep things cold, just kind of cool. You have some drawers with some menus and whatnot, as well as some more drawers. This had so much storage, like it was just me and my daughter, and we definitely did not need this much storage. We tend to pack light. We were only here for a 7-night cruise, but if you're staying for longer or you pack more stuff, you might want more storage. But for us, this was plenty. I was happy that on the Navigator of the Seas we had drawers on the end tables. We did not have nightstands with drawers on Oasis of the Seas, and it was kind of annoying. Now the default is to have the beds separated, but I did have them combined because I was just there with my daughter and we co-sleep. So we are able to get them combined into a bigger bed and you can just share it. Normally it's in the middle. I had it pushed to the side. And if you want to go see the Oasis room that we stayed in, go check out this video right here.